The ultimate ActiveCampaign tutorial for beginners email marketing software. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about ActiveCampaign, and in this, really lengthy tutorial, we're going to be discussing in great depth how you can use ActiveCampaign as your email marketing software and how you can use it to great lengths, utilizing all of its features that it provides you. And we're going to be discussing all of that in great depth. So please do make sure to watch this video till the end to gain all the information you can related to, ActiveCampaign and how it works. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to head over here to activecampaign.com. Okay. And once you do that, as you can see, you're loaded in here. Now, ActiveCampaign, grow your business with customer experience automation. The email marketing automation, and CRM tools you need to create incredible customer experiences. Okay. Now, obviously, once you're here, as you can see, it really advertises a lot, like the #1 automation platform. You have marketing, sales, e-commerce agency, all that stuff built for each stage of the customer journey. You have reach, nurture, convert, grow, all that stuff. And you have personalized email marketing. Send exactly what your contacts want. Craft email newsletters, campaigns, and promotions that connect with your customers. Customize your communication to offer exactly what they are looking for. Okay, you have contact list sizes, which increase, 143% with personalized email marketing. And you have powerful marketing automation. Automation gives time back to you and make it easy to basically run your marketing campaigns. Set up a welcome series with the email automation, segment your contacts, or use simple automation workflows to save time and money. Now, we're going to discuss all of this in great depth later on. First of all, let's go ahead and see the pricings that ActiveCampaign brings us. Now, if we go into the pricing, you can see you have 4 different discrete pricings. Okay. Obviously, this comes with the marketing. You have the sales bundles, transactional email, all those prices are different. But in email marketing, you can see that the prices are, you have the light, the plus, the professional, and the enterprise. Now, in the light plan, obviously, you can see you have $29 for solopreneurs who need their marketing to run effortlessly. The features that you get on this are, email marketing, 24/7 chat and email support, inline forms, site and event tracking, API and webhooks, all that stuff. Then you have Plus, where you can, see for small teams crafting excellent experience across the customer lifecycle. It's $49, and everything in that, it has like everything in Light Plus, plus, your landing pages, Facebook custom audiences, lead scoring, pop-up and model forms, conditional content, WooCommerce, Shopify, and all this stuff. Now, obviously, we're going to be trying it for free. We're going to do the free trial. So the one downside to this is that, yes, it doesn't have a free plan for you, but it does have a free trial. So obviously, you're going to go ahead and try it with that. Now, in this case right now, I'm going to be using a temp mail for myself. Okay. Now, I'm only using a temp mail because I know that I'm going to dispose this account for ActiveCampaign later. That's the only reason I'm doing this. So you can go ahead and use your proper Gmail if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and use this. So I'm going to copy that, add it here. And once I do that, I'm going to click on try it for free. And once you do that, obviously, it's going to take you into the whole signing up process. Again, it's going to be pretty easy and basic stuff. So here we are on board. It's going to ask you your name. I'm going to enter that. It's going to ask you your phone number, enter that, then click on next step. How many options or contacts do you have? I'm just, going to put in a random number. How many employees do you have? I'm going to go with 21 to 50. What industry is your business in? Let's go with real estate. So what marketing automation provider, email service, or CRMs are you currently using? So go ahead and put in, whatever you're using right now. If you're not using anything, just go ahead and click on next step. Obviously, I just added random information to, skim through the setup. But if you're doing this, properly, like make sure that you add proper, accurate information. Okay. We don't want to, mess around with that stuff. So I'm going to do that and click on take me to my account. Now, once you do take me to my account, obviously you're going to head straight into your account, and that's, we're just going to wait for that to load us up. Okay. Now here we are. Okay. It's loading up. And then once we're loaded up, let's, move over and talk more about, the dashboard. So now you're in your dashboard, you can see, welcome. Where would you like to get started? Send targeted and more effective campaigns to their contacts, grow your list and generate more leads, build a sales pipeline to manage opportunities, automate internal process, automate the data collection process, nurture your contacts and generate business, convert current leads into customers, or gather better data from, your contacts. Obviously, this is your main dashboard. First of all, let's go ahead and discuss the automation. Okay. The automation is one of the most important things when it comes to email marketing. First of all, you're going to head over to automations as so. And once you're in automations, as you can see, here's your automation map. So welcome to the automation builder. Automation is like getting an extra employee without needing an extra desk. And you don't need to be a tech wizard to use automation. Their drag and drop builder lets you set up workflows in minutes. Some of the many ways that you can use automation is personalization, segmentation, conditional content. So you can go ahead and create automation as so. Now, automation in simpler words is, a trigger that triggers an action, Now, if that doesn't make sense, basically, again, let's say if I were on a Nike store, I'm going to buy something. Okay, I'm going to keep it in my cart. That is a trigger. Now, the action that's going to be committed is when I buy something, that's the trigger. The action is that I'm going to get an email. Now, an employee is not going to write me the email. That's going to be an automated, email system. So you can obviously create automations like these. They give you templates as well. Like you can either start from scratch and, create your own automation, or you can use the templates they give you. They give you tons and tons of templates to choose from. So go ahead and do that if you want to. But obviously, I'm going to go with this bit over here where I'm just, going to use the main thing that they've given me. Now, click on start from scratch, click on continue. Once you click on continue, obviously it's gonna take a few seconds and it's gonna load you in. Okay. You can also import an automation if you like, but yeah, this is the automation section. This is where you can create automations. Now, one of the main things is obviously adding contacts and creating campaigns. So you can add contacts by going in contacts, just click on import. You can import contacts in, maybe CSV, XLSX, XLS, or you can add a contact manually. But, leaving all that behind, let's go ahead and discuss the most important thing. And what is that important thing? That important thing is obviously your basic, campaigning. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our campaign dashboard. And once you're in your campaign dashboard, obviously, over there, as I said, you're going to get all the, you're going to create a campaign in the top right corner. And as I stated, it's pretty helpful from there on out. So, and just make sure to log in with your account properly. And yeah, in some cases that your account can be under review, before going into the whole campaigning stuff. So once it's over, out of review, from there on out, you can, start setting up your billings and stuff and start creating campaigns. And a creating campaign is cake. Okay, just click on create campaign, and from there on out, do your settings, do your automations, add your contacts. And yeah, so that's basically it when it comes to discussing active campaigns. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guide for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.